All right, so this slide represents that there is a sphere which is moving in the rightward direction, and you can see the sphere is showing rolling and slipping in part one of the motion. And as it gradually moves towards the right, it enters another phase of the motion, which is rolling without sliding. Now, the very important point to understand is if you throw this sphere initially with high linear velocity, the time it takes to acquire the rolling motion becomes longer because higher initial velocity means that the linear velocity due to rotation will take long time to become equal to the linear translatory velocity. So the resultant vector at the bottommost point will become zero. It will take more time to attain zero value. So this is an important consideration. If you throw the sphere with less linear velocity, it will acquire the pure rolling motion faster because the angular or rotational linear velocity will be able to attain the value of linear translatory velocity very fast.